Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Alexandria here. So today I'm going to be taking out my lash extensions. Like, I cannot express how over them I am. Like, they're itchy, there's like all these gaps, and honestly I'm just tired of having them. Like, I was really feeling them for a while, but now it's just a no. So I'm going to be taking off my lash extensions in this video. What I have are some cotton rounds, a makeup brush, some coconut oil. And what I'm gonna do is I'm basically gonna take this makeup brush. It kind of has like a little bit of a round head. And I am going to basically put this pad like underneath my eye, and I'm gonna saturate my lashes with the coconut oil. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Here we go. I have my mirror right here so that I can see, and hopefully this doesn't take a long time. I've only had lash extensions like a couple of times, and I will say every time I had them it was very hard to take them off. But I've never used coconut oil, so hopefully this might go a little bit smoother. So I saturated the brush. I'm just gonna apply the oil. Like, I literally just have one lash over here in my inner corner. Honestly, like I said, I was really feeling having lash extensions. I've had them for probably like the last 2 months, and this is only my second time ever having them in life. But I just don't think it's for me. Like, you know how they say the girls that get it, and the girls who don't. Like, I'm a girl who don't as of right now. Like, it takes up so much time. You're sitting there with your eyes closed while they're like literally pulling at your lashes, and they don't last, and it's so expensive. So I don't think I'll be joining individual lash extension gang, but I will probably after this try like doing like the at-home kits, like maybe Falscara or Lashify, something like that, because those don't last as long. And I'm just saying, like, I feel like when I dab on my lash extensions, my face is not as clean as it is when I don't. Like, I'm always trying to like, oh, I gotta wash around it, oh, I gotta wash around it, and it's just like annoying. I'm not feeling it. So anyway, I'm going to let it sit on this eye. And I'm talking all this cash trash, but like, it was literally supposed for me to like get the lashes one time and then take them off. And here I am 2 months later. So it's like, obviously there's something I did like about it. I really did enjoy like just waking up and kind of looking like my makeup was already on. That was nice. So like I said, I'm gonna probably do a video soon of like trying out Falscara or Lashify and seeing how I like it. So I'm just gonna let this kind of sit and marinate, and then I'll come back and show you guys trying to like pull them off. All right, y'all, as you can see, I'm looking like a greasy hot mess, but now I'm going to try to remove these. It's been about 15 minutes and my eyes are like really getting irritated right now. Only one came off so far. Two. Nothing's happening. And I'm not about to rip out my eyelashes. Oh, another one came out. Okay. Let's try this side. Nothing's happening. Literally nothing's happening. Maybe I need to leave this on for a little while longer or something. I don't know. It's supposed to work with oil. What kind of bionic super glue did she use? Lord. Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna reapply and I will be back. Alright, so I just ran downstairs and I'm pulling out the olive oil. Like, I feel like the coconut oil is really not getting the job done for me. Like, sorry, I'm out of breath. I just ran from downstairs, but like it got some off, but it's like really not enough. Like, I literally just sat there and let it, like, waited for freaking 15 minutes. So I'm gonna do the same process, except this time I'm going to use olive oil. Alright, so update. I've been at this for a little less than an hour and I still have a lot of lashes left. Like, I don't know if you could see. What? And I feel like some of them are coming off, but also some of them have definitely just been pulled out because of the tension. And I've definitely had some pain with that. So YouTube is making it seem like it's so easy to take these out. And alas, here I am. So I'm busting out the big guns. I'm going with some Vaseline petroleum jelly. Good old petroleum jelly. And like, I've even been going under my lashes as well, like trying to loosen these things up. But I don't know what kind of super glue was used on my lashes, but these things do not want to come off, and I'm so tired of having them. Like, all right, ladies and gentlemen, this is take 3, Vaseline version. Let's see what happens. Again, nothing. Golly, I'm like about to just rip these things out. Oh, I got one, but it came with 2 of my lashes on it. I'm about to just do like a little bit of like rubbing at the base to see if that helps loosen anything up. Oh, hold up now. That just got like 3 out. Okay, hold up now. Let me zoom in, show you guys where we're at. I've got like a few lashes right here, and I still got a good number on here. So I'm gonna reapply the Vaseline, and this time I'm gonna literally like wait like 20 minutes. I'm gonna go watch TV or something and just like see what happens after like 30 minutes. So everybody who said this was quick and easy, like I suspected, it was a lie. It was very much a lie. So it's the next day. I just woke up, it's the next morning, and I still have lashes on. It just got to the point where they were not coming off, and it was really like painful. Like, my lids just like started to get really irritated, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just take a break. I'm gonna go on Amazon and get like the professional lash remover and try that. So I read the reviews. So supposedly it's supposed to work like super fast, and I was able to get this overnight because I live near a Amazon warehouse. So this is the Lion Lash Effective Gentle Professional Eyelash Extension Remover. So how you're supposed to use it is, it says, 1, for professional use only. I'm not a professional, but I'm desperate. So hopefully nothing goes wrong. It says apply 1 pump of remover to a micro swab And then it says, with the help of a second micro swab, sandwich the lashes between the two applicator. The remover should spread over the lash extensions generously, let it sit for 90 seconds, and then wipe lash extensions off with another micro swab. Okay, so take 14, I'm gonna use this little swab. I did read online where they were like, whatever you do, do not get this in your eye. So I'm gonna squeeze some of this product out onto this brush. I'm gonna be super careful, keep my eyelid closed, put this cotton swab down here, and apply this to my lashes. I'm trying to keep my cool, but my eye is so irritated, and I still have this lash here. I just, at this point, it might just have to become a part of my eye lashes, because I cannot get this off. I guess I could pull it, but it's really painful. And I don't want to do that if I can avoid it. Like, I put the eyelash remover on it. You can literally see it at the base of the lash. Nothing's happening. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm just going to move on. We're going to move on to this side. I got it in my eye. Oh my god, it's burning. Oh! I just I cannot deal with this right now. Oh, it's burning. Oh my god. I just So, final update. I literally almost burned my eye to smithereens. I can't even describe to you how much my eye started burning. Like, I literally had to go to the sink, flush it out. I'm like flushing it out with water, flushing it out with water. Nothing's helping. It was like twitching. I was like, did I just cause myself to almost go blind trying to take off my own lash extensions? It was a terrible experience. 10 out of 10. Do not recommend. If I do ever get lash extensions again, which I probably will, maybe only for like vacation or something, I will be going to the salon to have them removed. So I learned my lesson. My eye is still irritated even now, and this is several hours after the fact. I'm gonna rinse it out with some saline and like just call it a night. So that's the end of this video. This was like the most epic fail video ever, but hopefully you learned something from my mistakes. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Holla.